finally caught him. Took a little while to get him on this plastic to convince him. Oh, this is a good bluegill. Look at that, guys. Look at how he ate that. There's another one on the Pro Tour plastics, guys. Oh, look at this one. Look at that jumbo, guys. That's a beautiful bluegill right there. Nice, beautiful bluegill. And that right there, guys, is what we're fishing. We're fishing the ProTourBaits Chigger Fry right now. Just hooking it horizontally on a nice round ball jig. Plenty of action on it. Looks like a little bug swimming down there, and they are just eating this thing in red today. There's a good one for you folks. Look at that nice gill. Another nice gill on the red chigger fry. And just like that, 2 in a row. That's the beauty about these plastics, folks. Look at that nice bluegill. So you don't have to rebait sometimes. You just drop her back down and just go right at it. He really ate that one real nice. A lot of action. Looks like a little bug. They've just absolutely destroyed it.